Hi and welcome, my name is Axel, and if you are watching this, you already know about my art and you might be interested in sharing it. That's great, thank you. If you're a private person with no commercial interest, you can use, share, download my images completely free and without any cost. You can even do a high quality print with them using a local or online print service. You can use them as a profile or a title image, or you can share them on Instagram. The only thing I ask you is to follow these two guidelines. Please use the share button. Let's say you want to share one of my images from the Pachamama Festival album. Just click on the image and then click on share. A window will pop up where you can enter your text along with the share. If you like to mention and link me, you can do it this way, but it's not required. Post it wherever you like, and when you check your posting, you will see that all important links from my original posting are still working and all infos are still there. When you click on the image, it is still within the original album and you can reach all other photos within it. Please give credit. When you use the share button, there's no need to give additional credit. But there are other occasions where the link to my profile is lost, as for example in profile or title images, or if you share them on Instagram or in your private blog. Then please place a working link to either my website or my Facebook profile, or if you are posting on Instagram, please use this in your photo description. If you would like to use my art in a commercial context, there's also a way to do it completely free and without any cost. Let's say you are a musician, a teacher or an artist on one of the events where I published a photo album on Facebook. Just share the image with the share button as previously described, and as long as you follow these 4 rules, there's no need to buy any license. Only write regarding your involvement in this particular past event. Do not mention or place any link to a future event or any of your offerings, be it CDs, downloads, concerts, workshops, books, services, etc. Do not download and re-upload my images for single or group image postings on Facebook, even if it is tempting to do so, because Facebook does not offer to share multiple images at once with the share button. This commercial usage is limited to Facebook only. Let me illustrate this with an example. This is a photo of Gayatri's singing circle at the Love and Peace gathering. Let's assume you are one of the musicians and you share the image together with this text. That's perfectly fine. No need for a license, although it is a commercial use, as you share it under your artist name. But if you add this indirect announcement of your future concert in Berlin, you need to buy a use license, and before you use my art under your name. For any other use of my art in a commercial context aside from the one I have described earlier, be it on Facebook, on Instagram or your website, please buy a use license. To close this video, here's some information about my work in general. On events, I'm either paid as an official photographer to document the event, or I'm invited and allowed to do so out of passion and without any payments. I do not sell my images of private people to other people. I only offer a commercial use license to people who are in the image themselves. The only exception is when I have the full consent of all recognizable people in the image to sell it. For example, for a publication in a magazine article like this one. I hope this video helped in making things clear about sharing and using my art. And if you have any question remaining, please do not hesitate to send me a message. Thanks for watching and namaste.